Don't bring out the devil in me.
Which devil?
Don't bring out the devil in me.
Already you are a devil, my dear. You are a devil.
See, this is your... I cannot touch my wife again.
Poverty will be your only friend. That's how poverty will hold you like this. Poverty will not leave you. Don't even go there. If I begin to compare you and your mates, you will shed tears. You cry. Why is this man still sleeping? Look at this useless man. Will you stand up? What is the meaning of this?
I beg.
I beg what? Your mates are outside trying to hustle and bring food to the house and you are here. Will you stand up? I'm speaking to you.
I'm not fine.
I know you are pretending. You are good at it. Pretender. See, if you are going to stand up when I'm talking to you, my friend. What is this?
Please.
You are fine. You are fine. See, if you are going to continue like this, poverty will be your only friend. That's how poverty will hold you like this. Poverty will not leave you. And me, you are not going to see me in this house. Since this is what you want to do. Okay, you want to kill me with poverty, Abby? I refuse to die with you. Today, you are not going to eat. Anything that you see me eating in this house, you are not the one that provided. So I'm not going to give you. Since you choose to frustrate me like this, I'll frustrate you first.
See, I'm not fine.
You are fine. You are fine. You are pretending. Before I come back, I don't want to see you here. Still here, I do not want to see you here. Stand up. Yeah, man. Me and you in this house. Nonsense. Are you still? You are still lying down.
See, I'm not fine now.
You are not fine. You are still lying down.
See drugs, help me.
Me give you drugs. You will die if you are waiting for me to give you drugs. I will not give you anything. In fact, it's time for me to eat. If you like, continue like this. You will remain like this. Nonsense. You just want to stress me in this house? Just like that? Oh no. You have not been born yet. See. Wait, why are you staring at me? Are you the one that gave me the money to buy the food? You chose to frustrate me with poverty. This is not what you told me, oh. You said if you marry me, I will enjoy, oh. But I'm not enjoying. Am I enjoying? And you are waiting for me. Okay, now we have become two wives. I'm waiting for you to give me food and you are here waiting for me, the wife, to give you food. You will die of hunger. You will die of frustration and poverty. Will choke you like this. Like this. Nonsense. Useless man. You're waiting for me to give you food. Nonsense. In fact, this is my blanket. I'm not going to give you. Nonsense. Will you stand up? Go and walk. Go and walk. Useless man. Eat it. Eat it. Nonsense. Now that you are fine,
You again.
What do you mean by me again?
Can't we please in this house just have peace for once?
You want peace, yet you don't give me peace. That's not why I'm here. Since you are fine now, and I can see that we have become two women in this house. I'm a wife, you are also a wife.
My baby, how am I a wife? How are we two women? Why are you behaving like
me, your baby? Calm down and listen to me.
What are you now?
I'm your wife and you are my wife as well because you don't do things that husbands are supposed to be doing.
So why is it that you choose problem? Why I've been telling you all these things. Poverty is part of life.
I hold it there. Poverty is never part of my journey. It's part of your journey, and you dragged me into it. Like I said, this is not why I'm here.
Why are you here, please? I have things to focus.
Since we have become two women in this house chores, the cooking, the ironing, the washing, timetable. I have designed timetable.
See, don't take my simplicity for something.
Okay, calm down.
Wait, just because I'm quiet and I'm allowing you to do some things does not mean you should begin to behave like you are the one that married me. I brought you into this house, even if I'm poor. I'm the man in this house. There is nothing like we are women. What do you mean by timetable here? What do you mean you want to do timetable for me and you to be doing house chores? What is your responsibility? As a wife?
What is your responsibility? Have you been giving me food? Have you? You had better keep quiet.
Even the Bible says man shall not live by food.
Also now you know Bible. You know, husband provides for your wives. Are you providing? Like I said.
See, I have a different problem right now. The issue of timetable.
Then solve my own.
What is it now? What is in cooking? What is in sweeping? That is your responsibility now. Huh?
Thank God nothing is in it. That is why I have designed timetable for the two of us to share responsibility.
I'm listening.
Alright. So on Monday, you will be the one to do every house chores in this house. Including laundry. Tuesday will be my turn. Wednesday, that's how we'll be rotating. All the 7 days of the week. Any day you fail to do yours, you will not have peace. You see that peace that you are craving for? You will not.
I've never had peace in this house now. So it's a normal thing that I don't have peace. I'm not having peace.
Like I said, though, for your own good, for your own peace of mind, stick by it. I'll go and place it in the bedroom. Make sure you see it every day to remind yourself of your activities and responsibilities. Since you have decided to drag the wifely position with me.
Wait. You see, I don't want us to be fighting now.
Who is
we are
fighting
supposed
with
to be a couple. See, this is your... I cannot touch my wife again.
Have you ever seen a wife touching a wife?
Thank God.
Have you?
So see, all these things is just part of the story. I told you to calm down. All these things will pass.
I have been calm for how many years? Can you remember?
Just 15 years.
You call whole solid 15 years just.
It's just 15 years.
You are shameless. In fact, you are wicked. You are a wicked man. And you will not see my downfall. Yes, I won't die with you in this poverty life that you have chose for yourself. You've chosen to be low life, to be this miserable.
Every man has his journey.
I beg you, every man
has his journey.
You
women don't understand this thing. If God is testing you, you are passing through things in life.
God is testing you, only you. Did I ask you to drag me into your test? Did I? See this man, your mates are there buying designer shoes, bags, clothes, hair for their wives.
You, why did you buy it for yourself?
When you married me, was I like this?
Yeah.
Was I like this?
What changed now? Yeah.
Was I like...
Even was you that... Is it not me that gave you your first Ashobi?
You have mouth.
See woman,
you have mouth.
See in this house, you start eating chicken.
God forbid. Poverty man, since I have stepped into your house, you've never bought chicken.
On our wedding day, did you eat chicken?
Wedding day, is it not me and you that contributed the money for the chicken? Is it not me and you?
But I heard you, please go. I will sweep on Monday.
It's not only sweep, Oga. Every house chores on Monday.
I heard you.
Today is Sunday.
I heard you.
Tomorrow is Monday.
God.
If you like, in fact, take the timetable. Nonsense, you.
Maybe.
Oh no, this man. What again?
I want to speak to you. I want to
Speak to me, it can't wait. It has to be this time.
No, I know you're sleeping and I know you're having your siesta.
So you know.
But I need you to please calm down. I want to talk to you.
Why don't you talk?
See, all these things that you see that is happening in this life is for a reason. Anybody that God brought your way in this life is for a reason. And yes, I know I'm not meeting up to some of your demands.
So you know.
I'm aware of it.
You are aware.
I know I'm not meeting up. But it's not as if it's intentional. I'm doing my best.
What is not intentional?
I'm trying my best to see
You are not trying.
we achieve something in this life.
You and who is we? You and who? So you know the right thing. You actually know the right thing and you chose to frustrate me. I'm
not frustrating you. You are my wife. How can I frustrate you now? Poverty is not really dying. We are not dead now. At least we are seeing something.
Which something? Am I seeing anything?
See, I didn't wake you up to fight. I just want to advise.
You know the right thing, yet you are refusing to do the right thing.
Oh, is this how you see Mama Chinedu and
don't even go there. If I begin to compare you and your mates, you shed tears, you cry. You are talking of Mama Chinedu. Is Papa Chinedu not doing the right thing? Did you see the kind of food they used to eat in their house? You are saying, Mama Chinedu. Mama Chinedu what?
Are you too?
Continue.
What I'm just saying is, let's try and be one. Despite all these problems, all the challenges, let's love each other, let's support each other. But this one that you will leave me fighting alone, small thing if I talk poverty, am I the one that caused myself to be poor?
You are the one. You are the one. Your mates, your mates are out there. Are you trying to tell me that they have 10 heads? Do they have 10 heads or 30 hands? Do they? You have one head, they have one. Yes, they are living in mansion. But look at us now. Look at us. Are you comfortable? If you are comfortable with this your poverty stinking lifestyle, I am not. You know the right thing, yet you chose to deal with me. Because this one, my enemy has been sent to me in front of
Thank you.
That peace that you are seeking for with me, you will not find it.
I heard you. Let's
do the right thing.
Go back to your sleep. Go back. Thank you very much.
Don't disturb me again. If you try that nonsense.
Come on.
What do you want to do? So if they give you, you will lie down on the same bed with me. You don't have right.
Bed that I bought.
And so?
I bought this bed.
And so what?
Hi.
You do not have right to sleep on the same bed with me.
If you know that your mama born you well, push me again.
You go know that my mama born me well.
Hi.
Poverty stinking.
Hi.
You don't have the right to lie down on this bed.
You see, don't bring out the devil in me.
Which devil?
Don't bring out the devil in me.
Already you are a devil, my dear. You are a devil. Unless you want to bring your children and your great-grandchildren, the devils.
I refuse. I refuse to obey this command that the devil is telling me. Eat the bed.
I will eat it. Yeah, man, I will eat it. Come and sleep now. Nonsense. Come and sleep. Let me see how you lie down on this bed. Yeah, man. You are not serious. Poverty stinking man.
So you are home today, didn't you go to work? Good afternoon, no. At least help me now. I'm back, it's a long day, I'm back from the shop. Help me.
I can see that from where you came from, your hands have been cut off. You are waiting for me to welcome you, collect things from your hands. As what? As what? You left me in this house with
please, I don't want anything to do with the problem. I hope you have a nice station.
nice day house.
Irrespective of anything, I brought some eba, from the cell I made, so you can have it.
Useless man. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Your mates, listen. Your mates are out there, pampering their wives. Today they are outside to eat. Tomorrow they are bringing chicken and turkey to the house to eat. And you've been feeding since I stepped into your house, my food, into your house. Eba. Do you want to make me blind? You want my eyes to go off as a result of consuming too much eba.
No, it's your eyes never. How can eyes go?
You think I'm joking with you, right?
Do you want the eba or not? I'm not here for.
I don't want it. I don't want to go blind. And you had better go back and get me something nice to eat. Or else, this eba, I will throw it away. You will not eat it and I will not eat it.
I should go back.
You should go back. And I'm not going into
my house. Inside my house.
Your house. Me and you will see whether who is the owner of this house today.
See, woman, you know one thing. It's one thing to fight war and win, and it's another thing to start a war you cannot win. I'm tired, I'm hungry, and from the look of things, there is nothing to eat in this house.
Did you give me anything?
Allow me to go and suck my gari. Let me go and turn my eba in peace. You want to bring out the devil in me?
You are a devil, uncle.
You want to bring out the devil?
You are the devil already. Which other devil do you want me to see? Leaving me hungry, is that not a devilish act? Since morning you left me in this house. You are not going anywhere. Go back.
Yo, people, it's YolyBoy right here, and I'm together with
Ladee Yina.
Yeah.
Hi guys.
Yeah, that was the episode.
It was amazing. It was awesome. I love every single drama.
Yo, it's together we brought to you the Bad Wife episode of Drama Couple. And hey, thank you for watching. For me, I feel like this episode is just to dramatize what some wives used to do, bad wives in particular. Yeah. So my advice to every woman out there, the pretty ladies, to our queens, make sure you are good people and make sure that you always be an ambassador of peace, Ladee Yina.
Yeah, so my ladies out there, please make sure you see this respect. Men value respect and peace of mind. If you do not want him out there with another lady, you know what I mean? Okay. You have to give him peace and respect him. And you will be good. Protect your home with all you got.
Yeah, so with this we say thank you. Don't forget to like, share,
comment,
and subscribe to YolyBoy TV. We're bringing more and more episodes of this. So Ladee Yina,
please guys, do let us know in the comment section what you learned, the morals, and then in the next or upcoming episode, what would you want us to show you guys to dramatize, bring to reality.
Definitely. So with this we say thank you, and make sure you share this video to a friend. Bye.